Hello kids! Let's learn lowercase ABC with colorful flashcard and make a letter with different color Play-Doh. Are you ready? So let's start with letter A. First we take a yellow color Play-Doh and make a small circle and right side a straight line. Our letter A is ready. Can you say with me A? Great job! A is for ant. An ant is a small insect that live in plant and flower. Ants are very hardworking. They teach us about teamwork and sharing. Now the time to make letter B with orange color Play-Doh. Yay! Roll a long snake that the stick. And now we make a small ball. Stick it to the right side of this. Yes, letter B is ready. B is for ball. Ball is a round that we can throw, catch, kick, and roll. Now the time for letter C. And that time we use pink color Play-Doh. Are you ready to make letter C? It is very easy. Make a simple curve. C is for coat. Coat is a warm piece of clothing we wear over our cloth, especially in cold weather. It keeps our body warm. This is the time to make letter D with purple color Play-Doh. First we make half circle and then we connect with simple straight line and our letter D is ready. Yay! D is for dolphin. Dolphin like sometime high jump. They live in a ocean and love to swim fast. Now let's make the letter E. Letter E looks like a baby C with a twist. That's the letter E. It is so cute. Our letter E is ready. E is for Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. It has land, water, air, animal, and people. It is a beautiful home in space. Time to make letter F with blue color dot. First we make a long thin line and give a small curve at the top. Now we add a little arm in the middle. Our fancy letter F is ready. Fabulous. F is for frog. A frog is a small green animal that can jump really far. Frog lives near water and say rabbit, rabbit. It's so cool. Now is your turn. Can you tell me the next letter name? That's right. It's the letter G. We make letter G with yellow color dough. Make a circle shape letter C. Then we roll a tail that's curled down below the line. Look, letter G. G is for yummy yummy grapes. Grapes are small round fruit that grow in bunch. They can be green, red, purple, and they taste sweet and juicy. Grapes are yummy and super healthy. Let's make the happy letter H with purple color dough. First we make a straight line, then a small curve stick on the side. Letter H is ready. Yay! H is for hand. Show me your hand. That's right, it's a hand. Next letter is I. I is very easy to make. We make a small little line and then make a small dot. Letter I is ready. I is for yum yum ice cream. Ice cream is a cold, sweet treat that comes in many flavors like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. It made from milk and sugar. We eat it with a spoon and in a cone. Now we jumping to letter J with yellow color dough. We make a little snake and curl the bottom like a hook and make a little dot on the top. J is for jug. Let's make the letter K with Z dough. First we make a straight line and then attach them diagonally like arms and leg. That's the letter K. K is for kite. Kite is a colorful toy that fly high in sky with the help of wind. Flying a kite is a super fun on a windy day. The next letter is L. L is a simple straight line. It is very easy to make. L is for leaf. Leaf is the green part of a plant or tree. Leaves help plant make food from sunlight. It is like their kitchen. Now let's make to start letter M with yellow color dough. Make a small stick. Then we roll two little rainbow curves. That's right. Our letter M is ready. M is for yummy yummy mango. A mango is a sweet and juicy fruit that's yellow or orange inside. It's grow on tree and is called the king of fruit. Let's make letter N with red color Play-Doh. First we make a little line and then we curve. Our letter N is ready. N is for nurse. A nurse is a kind helper who take care of sick people. Nurses are superhero in real life. They work in hospital and help doctors. Time for the round letter O with purple dough. Roll your dough into a ball, then shape into a circle. Perfect little O, just like a donut. O is for onion. An onion is a round vegetable that grow under the ground. It make your eyes a little watery when you cut it. Now we make letter P. It is very easy to make. Make a single straight line, then make a small circle it to the top side. That's our playful P, pretty and cool. P is for pencil. I think you know about pencil very well. Great! A pencil is a tool we use to write or draw. When the tip gets dull, we can sharpen it to make sharp again. To make letter Q, it's exactly opposite to letter P. First we make a small circle on the top left side and then we make a straight line. This is the letter Q. Q is for quill. A quill is a special kind of pen made from bird feather. Time to roll with R using a yellow color dough. First we make a short stick, then roll a teeny bump on the side. R is for rain. Rain is a water that falls from sky when cloud get full. When it rains, we can wear a raincoat, carry an umbrella to stay dry. Let's start to make squiggly S with yellow color dough. Roll a small snake and bend it into a wiggly shape like a snake. Our letter S is ready. S is for star. A star is a bright twinkly light we see in the night sky. The stars are far, far away and shine like a teeny sparkle above us. It's a time to make letter T. First we make a simple straight line and now we add a small hat on the top. Our letter T is steady. T is for tree. A tree is a big plant with a strong trunk, branches, and green leaf. Tree give us fresh air, fruit, and shade to rest. Birds are like to live on tree. Now let's make the letter U. It is very easy to make. Simply resolve the Play-Doh. Our letter U is ZD. U is for unicorn. A unicorn is a make-believe animal that looks like a horse with one shiny horn on its head. They live in a fairy tale and kids' dream. Now the time to make letter V. To make letter V is very easy. Simply bend our dough. V is for vase. Vase is a container used to hold flour. It can be made of glass, clay, plastic in many shapes and colors. Now let's make the letter W with yellow dough. Letter W is similar to two V stuck together. W is for whale. A whale is a giant animal that lives in ocean. It is the biggest animal on earth and can splash water from its blowhole. Now the time to make letter X. We make simply cross with Play-Doh. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful bar. You tap with stick. Now the time to make letter Y. First we make a short slanting line and then add one more slanting line. Letter Y is steady. Y is for yo-yo. A yo-yo is a fun toy that goes up and down on a string. You hold the string and make the yo-yo spin. Then it comes back to your hand. It is super cool and fun to play with. It is our last alphabet letter Z. Can you say with me Z? Great job! In meantime, our letter Z is ZD with purple color dot. Z is for zipper. We can say zip also. A zip is something we use to open and close cloth, bag, and pencil case. Yay! We made all the lowercase letters from A to Z using the Play-Doh and flashcard. You did such a fantastic job. Okay, see you soon in next video. Bye bye.